Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down answer generation, an essential RAG concept. So, what is answer generation? Answer generation is the final RAG step where the LLM synthesizes retrieved chunks into a response. This is one of the core ideas in RAG that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about answer generation. Point 1. LLM is prompted with question plus retrieved context plus instructions. Point 2. Common instructions. Answer only using provided context, cite sources. Point 3. Streaming generation improves perceived latency. Point 4. Techniques like COT or self-reflection improve quality. Point 5. Final quality heavily depends on retrieval relevance and prompt design. And that is answer generation explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new RAG concept every single day. See you tomorrow.